we're going to show you how to do an ID card copy on your HP Neverstop Laser. So this is the ID card that we want to copy. We'll place it into the flatbed scanner. So place the ID cards face down at the top left hand corner. Then on the front panel, you select this, which is the ID card copy. Once the first side has been scanned, you will see that the scanner icon is blinking and the control panel indicates P2. So you need to flip the card over. Once that is done, you will see the resume light blinking. You need to press on that button. And there, you can see that your ID card has been copied, the front side and the flip side. So this is how you do an ID card copy on your HP Neverstop Laser. The ID card copy instructions can also be seen on the flatbed scanner. When you open the lid, you can see that there are also steps for you to follow in order to do an ID card copy.